Happy Halloween!
Meet Jabberin Jack. He's not your typical jack-o'-lantern. He talks, sings, and tells jokes. Jack has a projector located on the inside, which means he is totally portable. All you need to do is simply plug him in.
Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Danny with Advent's Campsite. So today I have a special item that I want to unbox with you. Let's go ahead and do this. There it is, the Jabberin Jack. So I'm curious how this is gonna work and whether it's gonna actually, how it's gonna work and how it's gonna look. From obviously you saw the intro video, you know, we'll see how it looks pertaining to, you know, comparing it to the video and to here, because a lot of times, you know, commercials tend to make things more not so real, and I'm interested in how it's gonna look in real life. So let's go ahead and open this up. Another box to the box. Okay, instructions, standard connection, USB. I'm right. Top of the plastic. So, speaker goes on top, and then you got a flat piece that goes on the bottom. Now you got a flat face on one side where Jabberin Jack's face is going to be projected, and then you got two openings that look like they have speaker holes, but it's really, they're not speaker holes. They're actually to let the noise out from within the projector that's inside here. So and then you got this part of the pumpkin, which is the top part, wooden part of the pumpkin. All plastic and stuff. Yeah, so all you're gonna do is open this up, and then there's a little slot right there where you're gonna put the pumpkin. It's just like a Lego. I'm not sure if I'm good at it. What you're gonna do is clap. There you go, and there you go, the top of the pumpkin. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the connection. Alright, what I'm going to do is grab, connect in the back, self-explanatory, boom. Alright, and voila. Alright, so on top you have the speaker, obviously, and then you got three buttons up here: a volume, minus volume, a skip, and a plus volume. So obviously there's different types of, you know, Jabberin Jack says different things, so that's what the skip button is for, so it could go to the next, you know, next thing that he's gonna say. So to turn them on, once you connect everything, there's a switch here, a toggle switch, where you're just gonna click, and then he's project.
My name's Jabberin Jack, but you can just call me Jack.
Oh, okay, Jack. There you go. Alright, let's see what he says. Alright, Jabberin Jack, say something.
Happy Halloween!
There you go. Happy Halloween, guys. He looks pretty cool. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and skip.
I'm going to sing my favorite Halloween songs.
Alright, let's do it.
I won't be there for dinner, 'cause I am no pumpkin pie, or shot out from a cannon, flying through the sky. I am a scary pumpkin, jack-o'-lantern, jack-o'-lantern, spooky and unnerving. Jack-o'-lantern, jack-o'-lantern.
All right, there you go, guys. So pretty cool little thing. You know, it has a few faces on this jack-o'-lantern, and I really find it interesting. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and turn off the lights and see how it looks in the dark. All right, so let's turn these lights off and see. I'm going to leave the back lights on, but I'm going to turn off the lights in the front and see how it looks in the dark. So you tell me. All right, let's do this in the dark.
My name's Jabberin Jack, but you can just call me Jack.
May I now present my spooktacular song?
Hi, my name is Quacko. No, I mean Jacko. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. Sometimes I feel alone, like a squash.
My name's Jabberin Jack, but you can just call me Jack.
Click.
All right, there you go. All right, there you go. Wow, really pretty cool. Cool pumpkin here. You know, Jacko goes for $60, $5.99 on Amazon, and but I got him for $39.99, which was you know, the used or very good. I mean, it came out pretty good. I mean, there's nothing wrong with him, and it's like if he's a brand new product. So I think it's really great. As you saw, you know, it has a few faces, and, you know, sings a few songs here and there. But for Halloween, this is a great product to have. I think I'm gonna be owning this thing for a while. It's pretty amazing. There's a little projector inside this piece of equipment, and I'm not sure how long it's gonna last. But, you know, for this Halloween, use them for your trunk or treats. You could use them for your doorsteps. It's a pretty cool product. It just keeps on going and going, doing its little thing over and over, the faces over and over. So again, thank you so much for joining me on this unboxing Halloween product. Again, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll catch you on the flip side.